In this video, I'll show you how to change your age in TikTok. So if you need to change your birth date in the TikTok application, then we're first going to head over to the TikTok app, click on the settings icon in the top right hand side, click on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down this page and click on report a problem, select account and profile, select editing profile, click on other, and down at the bottom you'll have this question, is your problem resolved? Click on no, and then click need more help. Now, unfortunately, there's no manual way to update your age yourself via the app. So what we actually need to do is contact the support team to get them to update the age for us. So just select account from this list of options, and then we're going to click on I want to update my birth date. Then you'll get this message saying, if you believe that the date of birth you entered is incorrect, please submit your request using this form. So click on this link like so. And now you'll need to fill in the following information. So in the topic, you want to select change account information, category other, then enter the email address linked to your TikTok account. You can also enter your TikTok username in this field. And then in the additional details, we want to type something along the lines of, hi, I entered the wrong birthday accidentally when signing up. Please update to, and then enter your birth date. And then if you scroll down to the attachments, here is where you can upload proof of your age. So you can upload a passport or a driving license just to confirm you are that age. Now, you don't have to do that, but it is quite likely they're going to ask you for this anyway. So just make sure to check both of these boxes down at the bottom, and then we can press submit. Once you've done that, it should only take a couple of days for TikTok to reach back out to you and to update the age on your account. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.